Unit 1. If you are happy and you know it. If you are happy and you know it, nod your head. If you are happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you are happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you are happy and you know it, do all four. Clap clap, nod nod, stamp stamp. Vocabulary. 1. Nod. Meaning, to move your head up and down as a way of saying yes. 2. Stamp. Meaning a small object that prints some words, a design, the date, etc. when you press it onto a surface. 3. Clap. Meaning to hit your hands together many times. Unit 2. I want. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. I want a long neck, says little monkey. His neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! Vocabulary. Stretch. Meaning to pull something so that it becomes longer or wider. Neck. Meaning, the part of your body that joins your head to your shoulders. Trunk. Meaning, an elephant's long nose.